How to use Sora AI for educational videos. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can use it for educational videos. So for that you need to write perfect prompts, and for perfect prompts we will get help from ChatGPT. So if you want to create best educational videos like gym related or any type of videos that are educational purpose content, so you will simply go to ChatGPT. Here you will open new chat. Now here you will tell ChatGPT that I want to create educational videos using Sora AI. So write a prompts, and also you will tell whole idea to ChatGPT. So after that ChatGPT will write perfect prompts. So you will simply copy that prompts and you will simply go to Google Chrome. Here you will simply click on plus icon and paste your prompt here, and after that you will simply click on generation like that arrow, and that's it, your educational videos will be created. So that's how you guys can use it, Sora AI, for educational videos. Thanks for watching.